Hi friends! Today we're going to make some pretend sweet treats for our friends Marshall, Rocky, Zuma and Rubble. Let's get started. First we're going to make some cupcakes. This will hold our cupcake. Let's make a blue one. Wow, it's so stretchy. How can we make this slime look like a real cupcake? I'm going to try and twist it like this. That looks pretty good. Now we need some sprinkles. I've got these shiny sprinkles here. That looks so yummy. Now I think we should add a cherry. Yum! That looks delicious. Now let's make a white cupcake. Let's see if we can make this one look more like a cupcake too. I'm going to try and twist it again. What do you think? Let's add some colourful circle sprinkles to this cupcake. Check it out, it looks so good. This one needs a cherry too. Yum! Now let's make an ice cream. I've got these special ice cream cups. First, let's make some purple ice cream. How can we make this slime look like ice cream? I'm going to roll it out into a big long rope and then twist it into the ice cream cup. Let's use colourful sprinkles for this ice cream. And we can add a cherry to this ice cream too. Yum! Okay, we have one more ice cream to make. This time it's a pink one. Yum! I've got some more colourful sprinkles for this ice cream. These ones have different shapes like stars and hearts. Doesn't that look so good? And this ice cream gets a really special fruit. This one gets a strawberry. Delicious! Okay, pups, it's time to eat your ice cream and cupcakes. Marshall, you get a pink ice cream. Rocky, you get a blue cupcake. Zuma, you get a purple ice cream. And Rubble, you get the vanilla cupcake. All right, dig in. Thanks for making sweet treats for the pups with me today. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. See you next time, friends. Bye.